G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons. I'm with Jacqueline Bold at Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, and we're going to talk about insurance, Jacqueline?
Yes, particularly insurance repairs of trailers and caravans. Anything that gets towed behind a car. So it doesn't matter whether it's a boat trailer, box trailer, horse float, tradies trailer, caravan camper. If it's towed behind a car, it has to be, well, it should be insured, or if someone else hits you, covered by their insurance.
Yeah.
It's really important when you have one of these vehicles that you make sure on your policy that you choose repairer of choice. What that basically means, Scott, is that you don't get sucked into the insurance company's repairer and maybe have to travel where you don't want to go. It means you get to choose where you want to actually take your vehicle to get repaired.
Good advice. That's good advice.
It really is,
Yeah.
because most people have their local repairer or their service agent that they like to use.
Yeah.
They know their van, they appreciate the quality of work they do,
Yeah.
and they want to take it back there to get tended to.
So somebody has a reason for a claim. They've got hail, they've got water, they've got accident, they've scraped along the side, doing something like that.
Someone's
What's the
run
steps?
into them, whatever it might be. It's not always the owner's fault. Often it's someone has caused damage to it. Very first thing to do is give us a phone call, have a chat with us, we'll book you in for the assessment, and you're going to call your insurance company and let them know you've had an incident. They're going to give you a claim number. Once you've got the claim number, you let us know, or you bring that to the assessment appointment. So the very first step of assessing is to come to the assessment appointment. Most of it's done while you wait. Unless it's a particularly catastrophic insurance incident, it'll be done while you wait. Then you can take your vehicle with you. Most of the time, a lot of insurance claims are more cosmetic in their nature.
Yeah.
Scrapes, scratches, hail, an awning might be broken, but the actual safety aspect is intact.
So they can still use it.
You can still use it if you've got a trip planned or you need to use the trailer for
Oh,
work.
that's so good.
You can still keep using it while we do everything.
Yeah.
So once it's been for an assessment, we'll quote it all up and we'll submit that to the insurance company. We will deal with the insurance company directly, with your assessor that is going back and forth with us. We take care of all of that.
You do all the hard work.
We do all the hard work, so
That's
you can
good.
just go and enjoy.
That's good.
Once it's been approved, we'll order any parts. If there's anything particular that may be required, we'll find out their ETAs and we'll book you in accordingly to get the repair done. So then you come back, drop it off, up she goes, she gets all fixed, looks all beautiful again, full of TLC. Then you'll get a phone call from us when she's finished and off you go.
Isn't that nice? So what do people have to do? Just contact Bold TCRC?
Contact Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. You can call us on 02 8544 8114. Go to our website, which is boldtcrc.com.au, or pop in and see us at 182 to 84 Bellingara Road at Miranda.
Now, when you say Miranda, because that's your new address.
It is the new address.
This is this new enterprise.
It is. So all the vehicles are kept undercover. It's really simple. You just drive straight in. Plenty of room for tow trucks as well, if it needs to come on a tow truck, if she's had that much of a bingle.
Fabulous. boldtcrc.com.au. boldtcrc.com.au. Thank you, Jacqueline.
Thanks, Scott.